story of the famous Krupp Steel and Arms Works began in the feudal Middle Ages with Arndt Krupp, a wealthy merchant. His heirs built the Krupp foundry located in the Ruhr Valley area of Germany, whose underground deposits of coke, coupled with abundant forest for charcoal, led to the making of the legendary quality that Krupp steel became so famous for. By the turn of the century, the Krupp Works had grown to enormous proportions, and with this immense growth came recognition and honor within the German government. The Krupp family had now become a dynasty of enormous wealth, rivaling many smaller nations in their financial might. The Krupp family bought oil and mineral rights throughout Europe, finally owning the best of everything that was available to produce the armaments they had become so famous for. The story of Krupp and the family ties that bound the industrial empire together is a fascinating study of a dynasty in transition, constantly growing and improving its products and technology to maintain their lead in the cutting edge of steel production. Krupp cannon and artillery of all sizes were ordered from numerous nations and used in battles and campaigns up until the end of World War II. Many of Krupp's more famous achievements are well known, such as Big Bertha, the massive mortar made for the Kaiser during World War I that could fire its yard-long explosive shells some 9 miles. By World War II, the Krupp Works had developed massive railway cannon that could send a shell from France all the way to England, the biggest of which fired automobile-sized projectiles some 140 miles to land on the astonished English. To this day, many of the survivors of these long-range bombardments still believe they were being attacked by high-altitude bombers. Large numbers of field artillery pieces, such as the 5-centimeter mountain gun in our film, were used by many of the world's armies. During the Palestinian campaign, the Turks, along with German gun crews, wreaked havoc on the British forces as they broke through British lines and attempted to make their way to the vital waterway of the Suez Canal. During this push southward, many Krupp mountain guns were used because of their ability to be broken down easily by a few men and packed on mules quickly to keep up with the advance of the troops. While in the end the Turks were unsuccessful in their assault on the British, even during their retreat back up into Palestine, the Krupp cannons, along with their well-trained German gun crews, maintained a withering artillery barrage on the British forces, using both high explosive and canister shot, which cost the British many casualties.
Fire!